Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this EOS 500 camera that I have. This is the front, the top, one side. The surface is a bit crumbly. Sorry. The other side, the back, the bottom, and yeah. This is the inside. Gonna put in the battery. It uses CR123A batteries, so I'm gonna put it in. Let's see. Plus in, minus out. Okay. So it functions, fires. But this one, the flash is not as sophisticated as the 750 QD that we saw. So this one you need to press down by itself. This is more plasticky than the other one though. The 750 QD is heavier lah. Like the build quality is better. Okay, so maybe I test the autofocus first. Okay. So yeah, so it works. Okay, right, take it out. So now I'm gonna take out gonna show the inside. Maybe I show you the viewfinder as well. Yeah, it's an internal LCD, quite interesting. Okay, so I'm going to show you the speeds. Okay, let's start by the maximum 2000 shutter speed. Okay. Okay. Let's lower it down to 1005. Okay. 1000. Okay. 750. Okay. 500. Okay. 350. Okay. 250. And then 180. 125. 90. 60. 45. 30. 20. 15. 10. 8. 108. 106. 1/4. 1/3. half. 1 second. Oh, that's 1/7 of a second. Interesting. Output. Okay. Let's do 6 seconds now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, okay, alright. So there you go, the camera works. And yeah, if you find this camera interesting, please let me know, I can sell it to you. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. It really helps. And thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye, God bless.